What you're looking at here is a Hunter Bainbridge, 107 centimeters. This one's powered by a Whisperwind motor. This is in textured white finish. From the factory, this one was supposed to be a 91 centimeter fan. However, I actually switched out the blades for a set of longer blades off of a Hunter Beacon Hill to make it a little bit bigger, so now it's 107 centimeters. But let's see what this thing does. It's got a pretty nice aesthetic low speed to it. Medium. And high speed. Yes, it did come with a light kit that it's got that standard schoolhouse light kit with the mushroom globe. However, I just decided not to use it. I don't particularly care for those, so I think it looked a little silly on here, so I decided not to use it. I do like the vents in the motor. I think they look nice. Alright, I'll go ahead and shut it off with the wall switch. Let it spin down for you. I think it looks kind of nice with the longer blades without a light. Looks kind of cool like this. I like it. I believe these things at one time came available in antique brass, bright brass, and I want to say brushed nickel, but I'm not 100% sure about that brushed nickel, so I'm sure someone would correct me on that, but I'm almost positive they came in antique brass and at one point polished, or like bright brass, but brushed nickel I think, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Someone will tell me if that's true or not.